Hello guys, Samsung is back with their latest and greatest creation, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. With its revolutionary folding design, stunning display and cutting-edge features, this phone is a true game changer. But does it live up to the hype? Check out in this video and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Starting from the display, the cover display has a very big update. It features 3.4 inches Super AMOLED 720p resolution display, and it is needless to say those are huge improvements over the Galaxy Z Flip 4 1.9 inches 260p resolution display. Here you will also notice the wheel shape cutout at the bottom, which goes around the dual camera and make it more beautiful display. You can see Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 5 side by side, and we can clearly see the benefits of having a big outer screen. There is enough room for the clock, weather, some shortcuts, and this new foldable shape display will definitely provide a boost to usability. About the main display, it is totally similar to the previous one. You will not find any difference in it. About charging speed, it seems Samsung will once again launch its upcoming foldables with 25-watt charging. Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 will both feature the same charging speed as their previous model, and the retail packages won't include the charging brick as standard practice in the last few years. As battery is also similar 3700 mAh like previous model. Moving to the camera, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 have the same camera system like the previous one. Till in 2023 they are giving you dual camera system at the back, 12 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide only. About performance, there is upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will utilize the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, which offers slightly overclocked CPU and GPU cores compared to regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and this is the same chipset found in Samsung Galaxy S23 series, which ensure a smooth and fast performance. About launch date, this time Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will introduce 2 to 3 weeks earlier than their predecessors in July due to concern about Q2 2023 earnings. Due to this, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will use the same M12 OLED material based display as the Fold 4 and Flip 4 instead of the M13, which Google could use for the Pixel Fold, its first foldable smartphone, expected to go official on 10th May at Google I/O 2023. Alongside the Pixel 7a, we also did video on Pixel 7a as well. Check out that video as well. And about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, it is almost similar to the previous model. There is little bit difference in cover display only, but definitely it is an impressive device with foldable design and powerful specification. Are you planning on getting the Z Flip 5? Let us know in the comment below, and as always, please don't forget to press the subscribe button.